ka Jngelang Jaka kunhun menteri haka singi palai kala Shim ka rai ban Shim ka Jaka ka ba sanpho Akar haka nong mahir na gabanta ban penbha bat penphu shu khnang ban la ban Khring khambun ki Nongwan Jngohkai perthai u menteri rang ba ula pentep bala mangru haru shiphoklur na gabanta ka tai ka project.
We had multiple agendas in the cabinet today, and some of the agendas were linked. So I will take the liberty to connect those linked agendas and just present to you in terms of decisions and issues that came in front. The first decision that was taken today in the cabinet was regarding procurement of land for tourism infrastructure, which is being done near Nongwan Lake in Bhoi. And this is being done, as I said, to increase the overall land bank with the state government so that tourism projects can take place. And we all know that this area, Nongwan Lake area, is very beautiful and very scenic and has a huge potential for tourism. And hence, with the procurement of this land, we will be able to take up tourism projects in this area. Because that's a very scenic location, so we feel anything from having resorts there to different kind of activity-based tourism out there. It's a nice lake, so we could have facilities of boating and other water body-related activities can be there. So there are multiple activities. We are open to that, but we felt that it's a highly potential area for tourism, and government of Meghalaya, especially through MTDC, should have this.
How much amount it will involve?
Roughly about 10 crores.
50 acres.
Yeah, it is at the rate of the prescribed at the what do you call it, strict revenue rate. Yeah.